Well, good morning, everybody. It's Bobby at Bobby's Hobbies. It's 6:06 a.m. and we have Louisiana biscuit mix, buttermilk. Now, what do we need to make this? It says soft and flaky. Just add milk and butter. What you'll need: a half cup of buttermilk. I don't have buttermilk. I have heavy whipping cream. I wonder if we can use that. 4 tablespoons cold cubed butter. That I have. 2 tablespoons melted butter. Preheat oven to 450. It's heating up. Combine biscuit mix and milk until you form a dough ball. Until dough forms. Then turn on a floured surface and shape into a ball. Knead and fold the dough 2 or 3 times while incorporating the cubed cold butter. Roll dough out to 1/2 inch thick, cut in place. So, to make drop biscuits, preheat the oven 450, combine buttermilk, biscuit mix, and 4 tablespoons of water, form dough ball till dough forms. So the real question now is I got to figure out, can I use this heavy whipping cream? I'll be back. Well, amazingly, I cannot find any measuring cups. I had 2 nice Pyrex glass ones, and they're gone, which makes me think that somebody dropped them and broke them, because that's the only way they'd not be in the cupboards or the dishwasher. So it's very strange. So now I got to do this by eye. So I don't know if that's really 2 ounces. You know what's funny is you make a big hole in something and you think things are going to come out of it. It doesn't necessarily mean that's going to happen. I'm using heavy cream with this flour instead of buttermilk. So what I'm going to have to do is make it a little acidy, and add some lemon. What a pain. Gonna try to squeeze some lemon in there. I'll be back. You're gonna have to trust me that this is about 4 tablespoons of butter. These are to be melted. So I'm gonna pick this up. Put that in there. That up. You know what? It's just too dry. I'm gonna add some regular milk. All right. Let's see if we can mix that up. Okay, we rolled out our dough. You know, I couldn't find the rolling pin either. My suspicion is that somebody went to like the grandmother's house and baked things and left all the stuff over there. I don't know. I'm gonna find out. I guess these bigger ones. Okay. So I'm just gonna put these in this pan. It's just flour. Remember, I didn't use buttermilk, which is what was supposed to be used. I used heavy cream, so I added some lemon. I didn't have a rolling pin, so I rolled it kind of by hand. All right, there you go. This is already hot. Probably gonna be good in 20 minutes. 15 to 20 minutes. All right, 6:44. Probably by 7 we're good. Okay, well, we're melting the butter to spread on the biscuits. And let's see them. They're actually at 14 minutes, which, according to the thing, is probably enough. Yeah, they do look like they're kind of done. So maybe I'm going to take them out. Shut the heat off. Because it's at only 12 minutes. I was thinking 15 or 20. But we don't want toasted biscuits. Let's see, I'll shut this heat off too. Leave that going for a bit. Oh, they look good. All right, see that? The little biscuits. Maybe I cut them too small, but again, that's all right. Yeah, that looks good. All right, so then we can just shut the heat off on this, and then everything. Oh, the oven light's still on. Like I get a little butter in here. You're supposed to baste them with butter. Nice. Didn't really leave enough butter for this part, but it's all right. As you can see, they're not stuck because of the flour. All right, a little more. All right, well, thank you so much for watching. We've got our, what was this, like Louisiana out of the box biscuits. But the mystery is, where is my measuring cup, or where are my measuring cups along with the rolling pin? So when the daughter wakes up, daughter number 2, she's the big baker. I'll have to ask her, see if I can figure that mystery out. All right, thank you for watching. I hope they taste good. I guess I'll just grab this little one. Let's see, they're kind of miniature. It's actually pretty good. Just hot. All right, thanks so much for watching. Bye for now.